Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil at the comfort of your home. This carrot oil will help you glow your skin and also brighten your skin. Our main ingredient is the carrot. I'll be using one big carrot and small carrot. Yes, that's our main ingredient for this recipe. Also, you'll need a grater, that's a rateable grater. I'll be using the smaller size this side to grate the carrot, where it will help infuse the carrot very well. After that, you are going to prep your carrot. You have to clean it very well to be able to grate it for your recipe. Let's talk about some benefits of carrots. It is a very natural moisturizer. It also has natural sunburn protection. Carrot is rich in antioxidants that will help protect your skin from the sun and radicals. Carrots can help your skin. It will help eliminate dark spots, fine line, and also help with hyperpigmentation. This carrot oil will help you glow your skin. It will help brighten your skin, and it will also help in growing your hair. I would say make sure you clean your carrots very well to be able to get a very clean oil. Yes, you are going to also need a bowl. Yes, a bowl that you use to grate your carrot. Yeah, I'm using the smaller size to grate it. Yes, this side to grate it. We are all done grating our carrots. Can you see the carrot water in it? Yes. So if you use the smaller size of the grater, you'll be able to get the infused carrot. I'm also using this olive oil for my recipe. You can also use any oil of your choice. You can use jojoba oil, you can use coconut oil, but I'm using this oil. This is what I have available. Yes, this one has garlic in it. Also, garlic has a high sulfate in it that can help lighten your skin. It will also help reduce hyperpigmentation and also help brighten your skin. So that's why I'm using this oil. You can also use any oil of your choice. That's olive oil, jojoba oil, or even coconut oil to do this recipe. Yes. Then you add your oil to it. Yes, make sure you add a lot of oil to it. You know that we only need the oil, so you have to make sure the oil is enough. You are going to love this recipe because it's filled with nutrients that is going to help your skin from hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and also help brighten your skin. As the carrot is filled with the oil, let's take it to our stove to go and fry it. Boil it. Yes. Make sure you don't take your eyes out of it so that you don't burn it. Stir it to get the consistency that you need to infuse the carrot with the oil. Stir it so that you don't burn it. Oh, please. Also, I added a bit of coconut oil to it because the garlic in the olive oil was stronger. So I added the coconut oils to reduce the scent that was overpowering. That is why it looks like this. And you have to make sure it's on low heat so that you don't burn your carrot. Our carrot oil is almost ready. Yes. You have to make sure it cools down before you strain it. Our oil is ready. It has cooled down, so let's get it into the strainer and strain every bit of the oil from the carrot. Yes, so I'm using the strainer to strain my oil. Make sure you strain it very well to get every bit of the oil in it. Remember, we only need the oil in it, so strain it very, very well. Our carrot oil is ready. It looks so nice. This recipe will brighten your skin, it will nourish your skin, it will glow your skin. Let's give it a test try. See how our skin is glowing, our skin is shining. It's going to help protect your skin from hyperpigmentation, dark spots. This recipe is a must try. This carrot oil is your go-to. Now let's get it into our container to be stored for later use. Yes. If you are still here up to this point, don't forget to subscribe to be part of this family, and also give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend our video to a lot of people. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Bye bye.